Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have VIVO V29 Lite and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. Start of opening Google Chrome application or setting or something what have more information than you have on the one side of screen where we can scroll. Where we are on it, we click volume down and power key together at the same time. And now after we take long screenshot, we tap on our long screenshot. And now it is scrolling and adding more information to our screenshot and creating long screenshot. We tap on screen when we have all we need, maybe right now, and choose save. You can also add it manually and tap on save when we have all we need. And that's all, we have our long screenshot which is saved in our gallery. Thanks for watching, bye!